calling the BC SPCA Victoria branch. If this is an animal cruelty, please hang up and dial 155.
You playing me. By the time I get back in this car, I'll have some gifts. What's up, guys? In today's episode, I'm going to the SPCA. I'm going to give back to a service which I think is really good, which is the SPCA. Alright guys, I'm going to give them a call and see if I can work with the manager. They don't want gifts.
If this is an animal cruelty, please hang up and dial 155.
You playing me. We're just going to hope for the best here. They're open till 5 o'clock. What's up, guys? We got some pretty cool gifts. I think they're gonna love it. And while I was in there, I got a phone call. I was able to talk to the manager. There's 12 people that work there today. I've got some balloons. I have gift bags and a whole bunch of cool, nice, like quality chocolates and stuff like that. I know, you know, I went to the dollar store and you think they don't have quality? Bro, they have truffles at Coco. Mint sticks, bro. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. Alright, main entrance. I was in the wrong entrance. Ta-da! Merry Christmas!
Oh, fancy. I got mint sticks.
And look at these, dude. Mint sticks, bro. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. Alright guys, so that's all for today's vlog. Alright guys, I know today's video was very, very short, but I just wanted to put a piece of it out there so that you could see what you can do with very little money. That made the whole crew very, very happy. I did have a lack of planning for this video, so that's why it wasn't super cinematic and beautiful, but it really, what it comes down to, I wanted to do this, and I was being extremely lazy this morning, and I knew if I just did this, even if it wasn't great quality, I would feel really good. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching it. It may not have been a perfect video, but it made a difference, and that's all you can really ask for. Do me a favor and check out my homeless series. I just finished the 4th episode, and the 4th episode is really, really good. It gives an overview of everything that went down. Do me a big old favor, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys on the next video.